Welcome to the Mindful Mindset. I'm Sean Stevenson, and I want to thank you for joining me here in this present moment. Please join me on this transformative experience designed to enhance your confidence and empower your inner self. So if you haven't done so already, find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Once you've done so, allow yourself to easily disconnect from the outside world. And to fully immerse yourself in this journey, please consider utilizing headphones and closing your eyes and allowing your mind to focus deeply inward. As we begin, it's essential to note that this is not about sleep. You'll remain fully aware throughout the entire process, and every word I speak will be heard by your conscious mind, guiding you through a process of positive change. Think of it as a daydream, a state of deep relaxation that enables you to absorb the soothing sounds around you. Although you may not recall every detail consciously, your subconscious will be attentive and receptive. And whenever you're ready, gently close your eyes and tune into your breath, letting its natural rhythm draw you into a state of deep tranquility. Should you choose to awaken at any point, you'll return fully alert. But for now, give yourself permission to release any tension and simply let go. You're here for a reason. And as my words flow into your awareness, you'll begin to notice certain sensations. Your relaxation will deepen, nurturing your self-assurance. With each passing moment, you'll find yourself gaining a greater sense of control over your life's path. At the end of this journey, you'll awaken revitalized and renewed, carrying with you an inner serenity and heightened sense of confidence. So let's start by tuning into your breath, noticing the gentle rise and fall, a natural rhythm that needs no conscious effort. My voice will accompany you as you journey deeper into relaxation. There's no need to exert any force. Simply surrender to the process of letting go. Become aware of your heartbeat, the steady rhythm of your own pulse. Allow yourself to be drawn into the energy of your body. In your mind, begin counting backwards from 300. 299, 298, 297, 296, 295, 290. It's okay if you lose your place. The journey is in the repetition, in the ebb and flow of your focus. As long as part of your mind remains engaged, you're on the right track. You don't need to consciously listen to every word. Your subconscious will absorb the messages that are meant for you. Now pinpoint pinpoint the areas of your body where you feel most at ease, most comfortable. Let your shoulders drop with each exhale and release any residual tension. Allow this soothing sensation to cascade down your arms, feel its presence flowing throughout your entire body, even deep down into your legs and eventually into your ankles and feet. With each breath, you are embracing this comfort, allowing it to consume you completely. Be mindful of your breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Just be a witness to the breath. And as your mind and body relax, know that your mind has become more receptive to the suggestions that I will empower you with. Your breath continues its steady cadence. Your thoughts wander unhurriedly, and my voice provides reassurance and solace. Consider the art of relaxation. The patterns of uncertainty that you've carried have served their purpose. Yet, there are innovative ways to achieve the same positive outcomes. Your creative mind can now devise fresh strategies, free from the confines of past limitations. Your subconscious will weave these new choices seamlessly into your thoughts and actions at a pace comfortable for you. Envision the brilliance of life ahead as your confidence blossoms. Cast aside the shackles of old beliefs and welcome newfound possibilities. Imagine a reality where success is inevitable. Your subconscious is now reprogramming the very core of your thinking and behavior, instilling genuine self-assuredness. Think of someone you admire for their confidence. Visualize their posture, their expressions, their demeanor. Step into their shoes, seeing the world through their eyes, hearing through their ears. Absorb their unwavering confidence, allowing it to merge with your being. From this point onward, you'll naturally embody this heightened self-assurance. Your voice, both internal and external, will echo this newfound confidence, reflecting the positive thoughts that now fill your days. With unwavering trust in yourself, you'll navigate life's twists and turns with grace. The love and respect you receive will magnify, reciprocated in the joy you share with others. Embrace the exciting opportunities that lie ahead as work and leisure seamlessly intertwine in a symphony of fulfillment. Now, think of someone who holds you in deep regard and appreciation, a person who truly loves you. Picture them standing before you, their gaze radiating love, and just like before, temporarily step into their shoes, looking at yourself through their eyes. Feel their admiration washing over you, illuminating qualities you hadn't fully embraced up until this point. It's nice to see how they look at you, how they love you. Notice the things that they love about you, the things that make you, you. Now, step back into your own self, savoring the warmth of being cherished just as you are. As you move forward, remember this perspective. Moving forward, you will view yourself with newfound positivity and acceptance. And when you awaken from this journey, you'll do so invigorated and renewed, carrying with you the unshakable confidence that is your birthright. As you gradually awaken from this enriching experience, you'll do so with a radiant and delightful alertness. Your body possesses the innate ability to rise to the occasion. Before fully emerging into wakefulness, take a moment to reinforce every positive thought that you've ever harbored about yourself. These affirmations will resonate within you, reaffirming your newfound confidence. As you transition back to wakefulness, a sense of eagerness to engage with life will bubble up within you. Embrace this energy, relishing the anticipation of an active and fulfilling day. We all possess the innate ability to daydream, to sleep, and to awaken. Yet the mechanics of waking up remain a mystery to our conscious minds. Our bodies instinctively know how to do it. And now, as I count backward from 10 to 1, feel the gentle stirrings of alertness returning. 10, 9, 8, 'As you awaken, this tranquility lingers. 7, 6, 5, a serene awareness encompasses your body. 4, 3, 2, the world outside beckons you. 1, I trust that you found solace and transformation in this meditation. For more journeys into meditative states, hypnotherapy, and enhanced mental states, whether to improve sleep, alleviate stress, boost focus, elevate self-confidence, or to delve deeper into spirituality, please feel free to explore our array of videos. Your path to personal growth continues, and these tools are here to guide you on your journey.